Rolling Through the Aisles by Ted Simon. Ted Simon has led a very interesting life as he's traveled around the world on motorcycles. Twice, the second time when he was 69 years old. Rolling Through the Aisles, Ted takes us back to his upbringing as he explores the waypoints of his life. From the school he was evacuated to in 1939, RAF Carleton, where he began his national service, and the place where his writing career started. As Ted retraces his past, he discovers that not everything was as he remembers, and how much of the country has changed. Some of the things he thought remembered were completely different, but in some cases the truth was much more interesting. He also sees how the towns and cities of his youth have grown, many losing their charm. He struggles with the modern GPS or sat-nav, as we all do, congestion on the roads, and of course English weather. To top it off, he runs afoul of the scourge of motorists, the private booting company. Throughout this journey, Ted does a remarkable job of regaling with his past while he struggles with the present, riding an enjoyable little Piaggio MP3 at the age of 80. This book is available in softcover, and I will leave a link for it in the description.